QuickBooks is discontinuing its POS system. Here's what you need to know. If you're a store owner who uses QuickBooks Point of Sale, you might have received some alarming news recently. While this might be cause for panic at first, there's no need to worry. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the situation and tell you why making the switch to Shopify Point of Sale is the best possible solution for your store. What's happening with QuickBooks POS? The short answer is that QuickBooks is no longer going to be developing or supporting its point of sale system. This means that if you're currently using QuickBooks POS, you'll need to find an alternative solution. Why is QuickBooks discontinuing its point of sale system? While we don't have all the details, it seems that the main reason QuickBooks is discontinuing its POS system is because it wants to focus on other areas of its business. QuickBooks is still going to be developing and supporting its accounting software, so if you're using both QuickBooks Point of Sale and QuickBooks Accounting, you can rest assured that your accounting software will continue to work just fine. What's the best alternative to QuickBooks POS? There are a lot of different options out there, but the best one by far is Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform and has been for many years. Its point-of-sale system is extremely user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with Shopify's online store platform. In other words, if you're already using Shopify to power your online store, making the switch to Shopify POS will be a breeze. Plus, Shopify offers 24/7 support in case you ever run into any problems. Click the link down below to talk to an expert about whether switching is the right move for you. QuickBooks is discontinuing its point-of-sale system, which means that store owners who are currently using QuickBooks POS need to find an alternative solution. The good news is that Shopify Point of Sale is the perfect solution for any store owner who needs a new point-of-sale system. Not only does it integrate seamlessly with Shopify's online store platform, but it also offers 24/7 support in case you ever run into any problems. So if you're looking for a new POS system, look no further than Shopify Point of Sale. Click the link below to have a one-on-one talk with an expert.